To those of you that saw my video which I posted in the morning and followed up with the analysis shared in the video, okay? And of course, for those of you who are having this trading tool, congratulations to you all. I told you that this particular asset, boom 1000, I've been buying for a very long time. The same way we did this analysis some days ago, the same way we did it today, and it's also played according to our analysis. Okay, in the morning it got to this resistance zone. It was heading towards this resistance zone. I said it will get there, and of course if it does not break out from there, definitely it will try to get to this trend line. But once it breaks out below this trend line, then it's going to sell more. Okay, and I said it's going to try to get to this support zone. If it breaks out from here, it will try to get to this particular one, and we are most likely to have a kind of pullback, a major one around here. If it breaks out from here, you can see it got to this region successfully, but it was unable to break out from here, so it is having a pullback at the moment. After the pullback, it will try it out again to see if it will be able to break out from there. Okay, so you can see if you had come in earlier in the morning, you would have milked the market from here, from this resistance zone down till it got to this region. Remember, this is 5-minute time frame, and of course guys, congratulations to you all once again. This is a beautiful result. You can do your calculations and see how much profit we would have made with this particular trading opportunity. So guys, we will be have more analysis tonight, and of course we'll be checking out the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course how it is also an opportunity for you to have a tips on what to go for whenever you are trading. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you love the content you are getting from here and you want more of this, kindly subscribe to this channel, and of course share the videos with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, here are some of the assets that we'll be checking out in this video. And of course, if you are not going to be joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. This is boom 1000, and I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, this has actually got into the resistance zone around there, and it's supposed to sell. Of course, it sold till it got to this region, but it is having a major pullback at the moment. So this is going to, it is buying at the moment. Once it is done with the pullback, it will give us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal. Then you follow up with it till it gets to this support zone again. Once it breaks out from here, then it should be getting to this region, so you guys should watch out for that. But for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is boom 500, and of course guys, just the way it is, it has been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance zone around there, was unable to break out from there, so it had a major pullback, but went back there again. It's about getting there. Once it gets there and it's unable to break out from the resistance zone, then definitely it's going to sell, okay, right from there, and it will be targeting this particular support zone. Okay, so let's wait for that. That is if it does not break out from that resistance zone. So at the moment it is still buying, and it might not be for a very long time. That is if it is unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, next asset will be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is crash 1000, and of course this had been on downtrend, got to the support zone, had the pullback, but sold for a while again, still had another pullback and trying to sell again. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, then we may likely find it around here, this particular support zone. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. But if it's unable to break out from the immediate support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. So you should watch out for that. Okay, let's check out crash 500 together. Crash 500 had been on uptrend for long, got to the resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, and of course it started selling right from there. Okay, right from there, and of course got to this region, played around there for a while before buying for a few seconds. And of course guys, it's still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, except if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Now let's check out volatility 75. Okay, let's check it out together. This is volatility 75. It had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. Check out the downtrend signal and of course the sell signal. This has been selling and selling, broke out from this particular support zone, and of course it's got to this region and is around here at the moment. Okay, so if it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.